Hi friends, my name is Milan. In this video, I will explain you exercise 3.1. Okay, so let's start it with question number 1. First of all, read this question. How will you describe the position of table lamp on your study table to another person? Okay, how will you describe the position of the table lamp on your study table to another person? Okay, so for example, just consider one rectangular table. Okay, now this is the top view of the table. Okay, here actual 3D figure is given here. Okay, if we seen from the top, then we will see the rectangular shape, right? If my table lamp is here, then how can describe the position of this table lamp? Okay, first of all, first way is we can take here our origin. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Okay, now we need to find the distance of this table lamp from x-axis and distance of this table lamp from y-axis. Okay, now if the distance of this table lamp from the y-axis is 15 centimeter, if the distance of this lamp from the x-axis is 25 centimeter, okay, then coordinate of this point, okay, horizontally 15 centimeter and vertically 25, so 15 25. Okay, coordinate of this point 15 25. First of all, vertical distance, that means the distance on the x-axis, then vertical distance, okay, that means distance on y-axis. Okay, so 15 25, this is the coordinate of this table lamp. Okay, this coordinate describe the position of the table lamp. Okay, other way also we have here. If we take our origin as a here, okay, and this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, then coordinate of table lamp is changed. Okay, in place of 15 25, it may be 25 15. Okay, if it is here is our table lamp, then this distance is 15 centimeter, right? This this distance is 25, then coordinate of this point, okay, it is 15 25. One more thing, in the rectangle, from this point, if we consider this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis, okay, again this is a 15, this is 25, so now in place of 15 25, here we need to write 25 and 15. Okay, this distance, it is on the x-axis 25, so first of all we need to write 25, and after that vertically we need to write this 15. Okay, so alternately what we need to do, that means in our rectangular table we just need to consider our origin, then x-axis and then y-axis. Okay, now wherever lamp is there, we just need to find the distance from this lamp from x-axis and from y-axis. Now distance from y-axis, it is our x coordinate, and distance from x-axis, it is our y coordinate. Okay, and we just need to tell the coordinate of this table lamp. Okay, so we can define the position of table lamp on the table. Okay, so in question number 1, we need to write this description. Okay, let us consider the given below figure of a study table on which a study lamp is placed. Okay, after that, let us consider the lamp on the table as a point and the table as a plan. From the figure we can conclude that table is rectangular in shape. When observed from the top, table has a short edge and long edge. Let us measure the distance of the lamp from the shorter edge and longer edge. Let us assume that the distance of the lamp from the shorter edge is 15 centimeter and from the longer edge 25 centimeter. Therefore, we can conclude that the position of the lamp on the table can be described in two ways depending the order of the axis. Okay, 15 25, otherwise 25 15. That means first of all we need to consider one table, then one lamp, we need to find the coordinates. Okay, if this is x and this is y axis, then 15, 25. Otherwise, if we take this is our y axis and this is our x axis, then 25, 15 is the coordinate of our lamp. Okay, so by coordinate we can describe the position of the lamp. Okay, then question number 2. First of all, read this question. Street plan. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. Okay, two cross roads are there. One in north-south direction and second one is east-west direction. Okay, at the center. After that, all the other street of the city run parallel to these roads. Okay, other street are parallel to main street and are 200 meter apart. Okay, that means other streets are in a northwest direction, north south direction even, and east west direction even, but all the other streets are 100 meter apart from each other. There are 5 street in each direction. Okay, so in north south direction we have 5 street, and in east west direction even we have 5 street, and all streets are parallel. Now using 1 centimeter is equals to 200 meter. Okay, now here it is given. Okay, streets are 100 meter apart from each other. Now 100 meters is equals to 1 centimeter, so we need to draw the street at a distance 1 centimeter. Okay, because here we are using one scale. 1 centimeter is equals to 200 meter. Okay, represent the roads street by single lines. Okay, we need to show the road otherwise street by single line. Okay, further, there are many cross streets in your model. A particular cross street is made by two streets, one running in the north south direction and another in the east west direction. Okay, like this cross street, one in north south direction and one is in east west direction. Okay, each cross street is referred to in the following manner. If the second street running in the north south direction and fifth in the east west direction meet at some crossing, then we will call this cross street at 2, 5. Alternately, our x coordinate, it is our x coordinate right now 2 we need to 2 represents north south direction. Okay, that means north south direction we need to consider as a x axis. Okay, that means x coordinate. Then this 5 represent east west direction, right? So we need to represent y coordinate on east west direction, that means on y axis. Okay, so east west direction we need to use as a y axis. Okay, using this conversion, find how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3 and how many cross streets can be referred to as 3, 4. So first of all we need to draw the graph. Okay, now here first of all north and south direction, here east direction, here west direction. Okay, now north south, that means we represent the x axis, right? And east west represent the y axis. Our scale is 1 centimeter is equals to 200 meter. Okay, now from this origin we need to draw 5 vertical line at a distance of 1 centimeter and 5 horizontal line at a distance of 1 centimeter. Okay, because 1 centimeter represents 200 meter and it is given that each streets are 200 meter apart from each other. Okay, so in this way we need to draw the graph. First of all, our original north south direction, east west direction. Okay, main streets. After that we need to draw 5, 5 streets in vertical and horizontal direction. Okay, Now it is given that 2 5, that means second street in north south direction and fifth street in east west direction, right? So east west direction, it is horizontal, right? So this is the fifth line. Okay, east west direction, this is the fifth line, and vertical line shows north south direction on that second street. That means this is our 2 5. Okay, 2 shows north, number of line of in north south direction, and 5 represent number of lines in east west direction. Okay, now what we need to find, how many cross street can be referred as 4 3. Okay, so here we have 4 3. Now 4, it represent north south direction, so in north south direction street number 4. Okay, and in east west direction street number 3. 4 3, first number represent the north south direction, second number represent the east west direction. Okay, so this is our 4 3, fourth line in north south direction and third line in east west direction. Now we have only 1 point, right? 4 3, so we need to write only 1 point represent 4 3, coordinate 4 3. That means only one cross street is there. Okay, we need to write the answer like this. From the figure we can conclude that only 1 point have the coordinate as 4 3. Therefore we can conclude that only one cross street can be referred to as 4 3. Now same thing for 3 4 even. Now 3 represent streets in the north south direction. Okay, so vertical street number 3, and 4 represent east west direction. Okay, so in east west direction street number 4. Okay, so this is our 3 4. Okay, third street in north south direction and fourth street in east west direction, and here even we have only 1 point. Okay, so we need to write this answer. From the figure we can conclude that only 1 point have the coordinates as 3 4. Therefore we can conclude that only one cross street can be referred to as 3 4. Okay, so this is our answer. Here our exercise 3.1 is complete. If you have any doubt, so just write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay, thank you.